What's up?
Trying to get this one to pull through.
Are you pulling out again?
No.
Ooh. Hi, puppy. It's only harder to shoot your britches, homie. All right. You okay? All right. Keep digging. You get this.
This is an absolute nightmare.
Scotty's gonna keep fighting this rusty crusty crap out, and we'll check back with him we'll check back in with him momentarily. You ready? Are you taking care of your?
Yeah. Some Bondo, some spackle. Do I look okay? Is this my good side?
I will. Let me finish what I'm doing here.
So we are.
Who's we? You got a mouse here?
Well, I am.
Scotty's the man. You gotta put the brackets back, but other than that.
Oh yeah. Oops. Sorry. No, I always double check.
Yep.
Well, that wheel's not on yet either. So.
Yeah. Look at that. Part, another e-brake.
But we are all set.
Adjusted.
Tucked in place and adjusted.
Now, when we let it down, it'll be the moment of truth. Will it work properly?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
But
I could not believe how bad. I mean, I sat there with the players afterwards just for giggles to see if I could get that cable to move. Nothing. That one was pretty good. They had. It's almost like somebody put anti-seize on the entire cable, which is a good idea. I mean, depending if you're like up north.
Oh no way.
You know, but
For our Canadian friends, eh?
right. But for being in California.
Oh no way. Well, this car was built in Illinois, Minnesota.
Yeah. Minnesota.
By people.
Minnesota.
By people that shouldn't.
Don't
be
know what they were
building
doing.
anything. Yeah.
Yeah. But we're all set, Joey. We got you together. I made sure you were tight, baby.
Oh my God. All right, so Scotty's gonna get everything buttoned up and finished up. And
Which will take me less than 5. We'll drop the car, roll the car backwards, grab
try
the e-brake, and
hopefully we're
I'm
good.
gonna pull it hard.
For Joey.
Of course.